Hi everyone. Remember, when we are talking about our plans for the future, we use will and going to. Both are used to make future predictions, but they do have some small differences in the way that they are used. In most situations, they can be used interchangeably to talk about the future with no difference in meaning. Will you follow along so I can show you examples and structures for writing in the simple future tense? Let's start by talking about will. For a positive sentence using the simple future tense will, let's look at these sentences. She will draw the plans for the building. They will start construction tomorrow. Notice how the subject is followed by will and the verb in base form of the verb draw, which also means the infinitive without to. The other example follows the same pattern. For a negative sentence using the simple future tense will, the pattern is subject plus will not or won't plus verb in base form. Example: she will not draw the plans for the building. They won't start construction tomorrow. For a question using the simple future tense will, the pattern is will plus the subject plus the verb in base form. For example, will she draw the plans for the building? Will they start construction tomorrow? For a positive sentence, using the simple future tense be going to, the pattern is subject plus am, is, or are, plus going to, plus the verb in the base form. For example, she is going to visit the construction site. They are going to attend the architectural conference. For a negative sentence, using the simple future tense be going to, the pattern is subject plus am, is, are not, plus going to, plus the verb in base form. For example, she is not going to visit the construction site. They are not going to attend the architectural conference. For a question using the simple future tense be going to, the pattern is am, is, are, plus the subject, plus going to, plus the verb in base form. For example, is she going to visit the construction site? Are they going to attend the architectural conference? Now that you have learned about the future simple with will and going to, are you going to practice? Will you review what you have learned about the simple future tense? Will you practice? I hope so. I'm going to say goodbye now. Will I see you in the next tutorial?